In a sense, we've come to our nation's capital to cash a check. When the architects of our republic wrote the magnificent words of the Constitution and the Declaration of Independence, they were signing a promissory note. This note was a promise that all men would be guaranteed the unalienable rights of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. America has given the Negro people a
So honestly, it was very cultivating. It was very, I feel like I gained more information than, when they teach it. Because it's like a real life, you're learning it in person, you're seeing it. And it actually deals with some challenges today, because sometimes when you go out to the streets, like you see like, oh, everyone's equal, but in reality, there's still some people who feel like, oh, I'm not equal.